Now we will solve a system of equations with graphing. I choose to use graphing when my equations are in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So in this first equation, my slope is 3/4 and my y-intercept is -5. So I start with my y-intercept, which is a point on the line. It's on the y-axis at -5. So here's 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Then I use my slope to figure out where my next point is. Since it's a positive slope, I have +3 tells me to go up, and +4 tells me to go to the right. So I'm going to count up from the y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to count to the right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do it again from this point, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to draw my line. Now I'm going to graph the other line. In this second line, my slope is -2. And I'm going to write it as -2 over +1 so that I have both a rise and a run. My y-intercept is +6. So I'm going to start from my origin, and I'm going to count up +6 on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then my -2 tells me to go down, and my +1 tells me to go to the right. Down 2, right 1. 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 I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to draw my line. Now I'm going to figure out where the two lines intersect. They intersect right there. So that x and y value is the solution to my problem. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to mark it. And my x value is 1, 2, 3, 4. And my y value is -2. And I have my solution. I can also check it. Y equals 3/4 times 4 minus 5. Well, 3/4 times 4 is 3 minus 5 is -2. So I got y equals -2. Let's try it in the other equation. Y equals -2x plus 6. So y should be -2 times 4 plus 6. -2 times 4 is -8 plus 6 is -2. It checks in both equations, so I have a correct solution right there. So +4 for x and -2 for y makes both of these equations true statements. That's where the two lines intersect. That is the solution to my system of equations.